Today, we're diving into a really big development in the fight against HIV. It's a drug called Sunlenca, and for some patients who are running out of options, it's something truly powerful. It's new hope. So let's break down what makes this treatment so incredibly different.
Okay, right off the bat, here's the headline that's got everyone talking. After you get started, Sunlenca is a treatment that's just an injection twice a year. Yep, that's every 6 months. I mean, that is a massive shift from the daily pills that have been the standard for so long.
But, to really get why this is such a game changer, we first have to understand the specific problem Sunlenca was made to solve. For a certain group of people living with HIV, treatment isn't just taking a pill. It's this constant uphill battle against a virus that has learned to outsmart the meds.
So, what happens when the virus just gets too good at hiding? When it builds up resistance to a whole bunch of different drugs, and the standard treatments just stop working? Well, for those patients, the path forward gets really, really narrow, leaving them and their doctors with very few good choices.
And this brings us to a specific group of patients. The official term is heavily treatment experienced, or HTE for short. These are adults living with HIV who've been through the ringer. They've tried a ton of different treatment plans, but their current one is failing. Either the virus is just resistant to everything, or the side effects from other drugs are just too much to handle. They are, quite literally, running out of options.
And this is exactly where Sunlenca comes into the picture. It's not just another pill in the same old class. It is a first-in-class medication that gives doctors a whole new way to attack the virus, especially for these heavily treatment-experienced folks.
So how does it pull this off? Well, Sunlenca is what's called an HIV-1 capsid inhibitor. Now, you can think of the capsid as the virus's armor and its toolbox all rolled into one. It's this protein shell that's absolutely essential for the virus to replicate and build new copies of itself. Sunlenca basically works by breaking that shell, throwing a wrench in the virus's assembly line at a bunch of different spots.
And does it work? Oh yeah. The first results from the clinical trials were pretty stunning. In just a 14-day study, almost 88% of patients taking Sunlenca saw their viral load plummet. Compare that to less than 17% for those on a placebo. That shows a really powerful and, importantly, a really fast effect, even in people where other drugs had totally failed. And that effect lasts. This wasn't just a flash in the pan. After a full year of treatment, an incredible 83% of these same patients, the ones who had tried so many other things, had an undetectable viral load. So the big takeaway here is that this isn't some temporary patch. It's a real, long-term therapy.
So that brings us back to the most mind-blowing part, right? The twice-a-year treatment. Let's dig into how a long-acting injectable like this is even possible.
Okay, so what's it actually like for a patient to start on this? It's not quite as simple as just showing up and getting a shot on day one. There's a bit more to it.
To get everything going, a patient needs what's called an initiation dose or a loading dose. Think of it like priming a pump. The whole goal is to get the amount of drug in your system up to the right level, the level where it can really fight the virus, and to get it there fast before you switch over to those long-acting shots that just keep it steady. Now, doctors have two main ways to do this. Option 1 is a little more intense. It combines pills with the very first injection right on day 1. Option 2 is a more gradual lead-in, with just pills for about 2 weeks before that first shot. The choice really comes down to the patient's medical history and what the doctor thinks is best.
But here's the great part. Once you're through that initiation phase, all that complexity just melts away. The whole regimen becomes incredibly simple.
And there it is, 6 months. After that initial loading period, patients just get their injections once every 6 months. I mean, this is just a monumental change. It dramatically cuts down on the burden of daily medication and could be a huge help for long-term adherence in this group.
Of course, with any powerful new drug, and especially one that stays in your body for so long, we have to talk about safety. There are some really unique things to consider here that are super important to understand.
So here's the thing. The drug's biggest advantage, the fact that it's so long-acting, is also tied to its biggest risks. Because this medicine can stay in your system for a year, sometimes even longer, missing a scheduled shot is a really big deal. It could let the virus develop resistance, and it also means it can interact with any new medications you might start up to 9 months after your last shot. Now, the most common side effect people reported in the trials was a reaction right where they got the shot. About 2/3 of people had some swelling, pain, or redness. For most, it was pretty mild, but it's definitely something that happens often.
So what does the actual kit look like? Well, it comes with everything needed for one full dose.
That means 2 vials of the medicine and 2 syringes. And that's because each maintenance dose is actually split into 2 separate injections to get the right amount of medicine in.
The full dose is given with 2 subcutaneous injections. That just means right under the skin, in the stomach area. A doctor or nurse will give them in 2 different spots, and this is always done in a clinic. It's not something you do at home.
Let's circle back to those drug interactions for a sec, because it's so important. Sunlenca can mess with how your body processes other medicines. You absolutely can't take it with things like the herbal supplement St. John's wort, which can actually make Sunlenca less effective. And on the flip side, it can boost the levels of other drugs like certain statins for cholesterol, so your doctor might need to adjust those doses. And that's why the official FDA info has this critical piece of advice. It really just boils down to this. You have to have an open, ongoing conversation with your doctor about everything you take. Prescription, over-the-counter, herbal supplements, everything. It's absolutely key for staying safe.
So, let's pull it all together. What's the big picture here? What does a treatment like this really mean for people living with multidrug-resistant HIV?
If you remember 3 things from all this, make it these. First, Sunlenca is a totally new class of drug. It's a vital new weapon for patients who've run out of other options. Second, that twice-a-year dosing schedule is an incredible convenience that could change lives. And third, because it's so long-lasting, it requires a new level of teamwork and diligence from both patients and doctors to manage it safely.
And that leaves us with a really fascinating thought to end on. Sunlenca proved that a twice-a-year treatment for a complex virus is actually possible. As this kind of technology gets better, you just have to wonder, what's next? What other chronic conditions, maybe even things like diabetes or heart disease, could one day be managed not with a daily pill, but with an injection just twice a year? Makes you think, right?